So every year we make sure that we put together emergency meals. And what that means is we get non-perishable items that can be used in case we're not able to deliver meals or have meals be served here at the senior center. That happens. It happens that if the Oregon schools are closed, that means that we do not serve or deliver meals. So in those instances, we like to have our clients that are currently getting home delivered meals, they have something that they can just heat up in those instances. And same with our congregate folks. People that receive home delivered meals are amongst our most vulnerable in the senior population. That means that they are mostly homebound. They are not able to stand to prepare a meal by themselves, only get out of the house maybe to go to doctor appointments, so that makes them eligible for home delivered meals. It's quite a smorgasbord. So we like to have a few meals that are really substantial. So we've got a chicken pot pie style soup, so there's protein in that. We've got another soup, a beef country vegetable soup. So we got some solid things. And then of course you can't miss with a can of tuna. We like to get some vegetables in there. It's kind of hard with non-perishable, but so we have tomato juice, a little bit of fruit juice, and then you don't want to forget a couple different fruits. We've got mandarin oranges and peaches. We also have a add water rice-a-roni. That's something new we've never added to the thing. Pack of oatmeal, so we got some breakfast sort of options. A couple breakfast bars, these fig bars. Some crackers to go with the soup. Just some little sort of sweet things for the sweet tooth for dessert. A little container of peanut butter, more protein. Sweet and salty sort of protein bar. And some more protein with nuts. And you can't go wrong with popcorn. Everybody loves popcorn as a little snack. And then we put in this little vitamin C thing just as a little stay well. So that's what goes in, that's what went in our emergency meals this year. So we had a bunch of volunteers that helped set this up. It's quite a process. Just going to get the food, load it into a cart, load it onto the thing at the store, get it back into the cart, get it into my car. That's a workout all on its own. Then getting it back here, unloading it from my car here, getting it in this room. Now you got to take everything out of the boxes because when you want to start an assembly line, you want to have things move quickly. So volunteers helped get things out of the boxes and get them ready for the assembly line. And then we had different volunteer groups that are currently working in the kitchen come in their downtime and package up meals. So we packaged up just over 100 meals. 50 of them went out, 50 plus went out to our home delivered meal clients, and 50 of them stayed in and we gave them to our congregate clients. People are really delighted. They're really surprised by the bags and very grateful. We've received nothing but kind words and very grateful people for us thinking of them on snowy days. We've done this every year, and it's part of what we offer at the Senior Center. And we do it because there are days when the weather is too slippery, it's too snowy, and people can't get out to grocery shop or can't get out to come and have their meal here with their Fitchburg family here. So it's our way of trying to take care of people when they are even in a more vulnerable situation. That's kind of what we're all about. All of this food is usually purchased through our Fitchburg Senior Center Friends group. This year we had a nice donation that came in, so that's where we use those. So we're always taking donations for the nutrition program to help subsidize things like this. You'll notice that we have some things still on the shelves, and that is, we keep stuff on stock so that if we encounter somebody that is very food insecure, we can package them up a little bag of shelf-stable foods to get them started on eating some healthy foods. Anybody that wants to donate to the Senior Center, to the Fitchburg Senior Center Friends towards this cause, that would be great. You can reach out to me or really any staff member, but we'll always take donations.